Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, what is the distribution of total body water? Now, distribution of total body water. Total body water constitutes around 60% of body weight. Out of this 60%, two-thirds, that is 66%, is actually intracellular fluid, and this intracellular fluid will constitute around 40% of the body weight, whereas remaining one third or 33% constitutes the extracellular fluid, and this extracellular fluid is around 20% of the body weight. Now, in among this extracellular fluid, among this 20% of body weight of extracellular fluid, plasma constitutes of around 5% of the body weight, whereas plasma constitutes 5% of body weight, whereas interstitial fluid will constitute 15% of body weight. So, this is the distribution of total body water.
thank you and thank you for watching.